How to change voice on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice on Discord using your mobile device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your voice changer app and tap to start recording and say whatever you like. And once you're done, your voice will be saved. Now next, open your Discord app and sign in to your account. And once inside the app, simply go back to the voice changer app and choose the effect that you want to use. And after that, tap the three dots for more options. Now select share and then choose Discord, and your modified voice will now be shared directly into your Discord chat or server. And that's it. Super easy, right? And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.